up, guys? Welcome to another edition of the Market Marauder Show, beating the market one trade at a time. If you're new to the Market Marauder Show, it's an investment channel, helps you to find the best deals in the market. If that's something you're interested in, make sure you hit that thumbs up. Definitely helps the YouTube algorithm promote the videos. All right, so today I've been giving you a new series called Road to 1 Million. So, going to be trying to grow this Robinhood count to potentially $1 million. Why not? Last year of trading was very interesting. I learned quite a bit from trading last year. So this is my personal Robinhood account to show you all out there that I do trade. So last year, I think I had a high on here around $62,888. So uh, went up quite significantly. Obviously, cashed out quite a bit on there to fund some things. But going on here, going to start at this current balance. The rules for the trading challenge that I'm going to be doing are going to be down below. So if you want to follow along with those rules and start on your own trading journey, you can do that. This is a disclaimer. I'm not telling you to buy or not to buy any of these stocks. These are just my personal picks that I'm going through on my account. I'm not giving out any of these when I buy or when I sell. They'll just be on the weekly video. So, not going to be making any Discord or anything like that, telling you all when I'm buying or selling these, just showing you the progress so that hopefully you all can learn from my losses and learn from my wins to gain you all's portfolio. So, without further ado, let's jump into some of the rules. So I'm going to read the rules of my trading journey. And rules are very important when going into trading. It helps you with not making, emotional moves in trading. Going to getting large amounts of money into your account. Your emotions do weigh a lot into that decision. So having rules, solid foundation, definitely help you. So rule number one, take profits at 20% gain. So 20% may not be a lot for a lot of people, but to have a trader who makes 20% gain on every single trade is pretty impressive, in my personal opinion, and definitely beats out, any S&P 500 that you'll see. Usually about 12% you'll hear is an average profit. So 20% profit on each. Um, gain that you make, I think is pretty impressive. Also, a 20% loss. So, going down to a 20% loss, that's going to be my range. So, rule number one, take profits at 20% gain. And then, rule number two, take a loss at 20% loss. So, if you plan on trading, you think that, hey, I'm not going to make any loss, you're basically fooling yourself. You will lose money, but having kind of that risk tolerance of this is where I exit. And this is what the rule states. This is where I exit will definitely help you keep some sort of sanity when the stock market becomes more volatile. Um, Rule number three, buy no more than 5 shares per stock. So, going into penny stocks and stocks like that, you may see people like buy like 10,000 shares of something that's like 20 cents. But that's adding extreme risk into it. So I think 5 is a good threshold, especially, there's no limit to how high per share of any stock you can get on here. There's no rule of you can't buy a stock that's worth $100 or a stock that's worth $200. So I think 5 is a good number. No more than 5. I think if you buy a little more over than 5 shares per stock, it may be a little bit greedy as far as trying to grow your account overall. Um, and then number four, add funds every 2 weeks. So every 2 weeks, whatever your risk tolerance is, whatever your capital is, whether it's $5, $6, add that money to it, and that'll be money that you could use to trade. And then, of course, as you make more money, your account will grow by the different trades that you make and the different skills that you learn. And then number five, have fun and learn. So I think the whole goal of trading is to have fun, in my personal opinion, is to be stress free. That's why we have the rules. And then to learn as much as possible. There are plenty of YouTube videos out there for whatever trading style you want to get into. So, going through the portfolio from week one, this is my first week. I have 1 share of fuel cell with a 28%, 28 cent profit. And then on here, you may say, when did I buy these? I bought these all on Friday. So if you look at today's return, it's the exact same as total return because I bought them all on Friday. And so um, on here, fuel cell has a plus 28 cent increase. IDEX is down 1 cent for total return. BNGO up 3 cents. Wish actually bought 2 shares of Wish, so I'm up 50 cents on those. XELA up 5 cents, and then HMY up 8 cents, and ATER up $2.13. So with those rules in place, minus this option, I'm gonna try to exit this option sometime soon. So I didn't really factor that one in. So if you see that, um, not really factoring that option in. Going with those rules, I kind of wrote a little list on here of when I'm going to be exiting each one of these plays. So for fuel cell, ticker sign FCEL, sell at $7.45 per share, which it currently is not at. So bought it around $6.21. I think it'd be easier for me to go on here and just look at it. So yeah, this shows the average price, and then we'll put this on a side by side. So on here, with the average price of $6.21 bought, and then gonna sell around 7.45 if it gets to that high, or if it starts to go down to become bearish, sell around 4.97. So next one on here is going to be IDEX. So IDEX bought around $2.21. So at that being said, the sale is going to be 265 or $1.77, and so I only have 1 share of IDEX. So the next one on here, BNGO. Bought BNGO on Friday for $5.45. Um, the sale is going to be $6.54 when it gets to that, or if it starts to go down, $4.36. Next on here is Wish. And so Wish actually have 2 shares of Wish. So Wish I bought at an average price of $6.38 for each one. And so it ended the week at $6.63. And so the exit is going to be 15.31 or around $7.65 per share, or $5.11 per share, or $10.22. And that is for Wish. Next up, we have XELA, which I bought 2 shares of as well. Bought for an average price around $2.08. So going on here, $4.16 is the total price that I paid for both of those shares. I'm going to be selling that at $4.98 combined, $2.49 each, or $3.34 combined, $1.67 each. Next on here we have HMY. And HMY I bought for the same day. All these I bought on Friday, by the way. And so this one average cost $3.18. Gonna sell this one, only 1 share of this one, at $3.81 or $2.55. And then the last one, ATER, bought on Friday around $9.32, and it went up to $11.45. With this formula that I have here, or with the rule number 2, take profits at 20%, I will be selling this one Monday morning when the market opens, and at the current price of 11.18. I know it's gotten a little bit above there, but it didn't make that push until after trading hours. So definitely going to be selling this one to take that 20% profit since it has gone past this 11.18. So in the past, I would have said this one's going to continue to run up, but I got to stick to the rules on all of these. So 11.18, it's at 11.45. When the market opens on Monday, going to be looking to see where the price is at and try to sell at that 11.18 level, or where it currently is at. So it'll be a little bit over 20%, but still a profit nonetheless. So, good luck to everybody out there trading. Hope these videos will help everyone out there. We'll be adding more funds to the account for buying power. So it currently is at $1.81. We'll be adding more funds is in correspondence to rule number 4, beginning my 2 weeks. So every 2 weeks, adding funds on there. So there'll be more funds to begin to trade with. So hopefully these videos help you, and good luck to everybody out there trading. Uh, and make sure you hit that thumbs up. That is the price of admission. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.